मुझे प्रियम्बल से क्या क्या चीजें याद आ रही हैं इन क्रोनोलॉजी हाउ इट्स रिटन इन लक्ष्मीकांत. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट थिंग आई कैन रिमेंबर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन that was passed by Jawaharlal Nehru, and based on that the preamble has been drafted. First thing. Second thing, we have borrowed it from. So second thing that comes is where did we borrow it from? Third thing, what is the source of power? We the people of India. What is the objective of Indian Constitution? That we mentioned, socialist, secular, democratic and all. What are the key ideologies that I mentioned? Liberty, equality, fraternity. All of that is there. Date of adoption is there. Okay. Do we talk about the amendment? How many times the constitution has been amended? How many terms have been added? 3. And after that, what are the Supreme Court judgments related to it? There are 3 cases that have been given. First, I think, is the Golaknath case. Then we have the Keshav Nanda Bharti case. We have the Minerva Mill case and the LIC of India case. Something of that sort. ठीक है. तो ये क्या था? What did I do? I started from one. That from where did we borrow and then we came till the Supreme Court judgment. तो इसको बोलते हैं active recall. So जब मैं notes बना रहा हूँ, what I'll do? I'll not just copy the Lakshmikant on that. I just mention these keywords. Borrowed from. Do not write the answer there. Right? Just borrowed from. Then source of power. Constitutional amendment. Just mention all of that. So when I am going to revise, what I'll do? I'll try to answer it on my own. I'll not have everything written on the paper.